What's going on, Honda Heads? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, we're going to be starting off where we left off from previous video on finishing up this K20 A2 motor for my man Jose. I ended up helping him get this head gasket timing belt job done on this engine. So yeah guys, I apologize, I haven't been able to upload so frequently, especially with this motor. It was a two-part series, and last video I uploaded on this engine was about almost 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I ended up having to go on a quick little vacay with the family, so yeah, I wasn't able to finish uploading the video before I had left, so I figured I uploaded once I got back. And yeah guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you can guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below, hit the bell notification as well guys if you guys haven't. You guys be notified whenever I put out any content. But yeah, with that being said guys, let's get into this video. Alright guys, before we install the rocker assembly, you want to put all the lost motion sensors on, or lost motion springs. Should be 10 of them. 2, 4, 6, I know 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, my bad. There you go. Now we're going to grab the rocker assembly and slap it on. Here we go. The rocker assembly is on. Now we're going to start installing the cams. We're going to grab all the cam caps and start slapping them on. Guys, remember, line up the cam cap number with the number on the rocker assembly. Well, you know what? Let me put some assembly lube on the cams. Now that all of these are down, I'm gonna come with the torque wrench and then torque these down. I believe it's 29 foot-pounds. Guys, so we're gonna start working on the timing side of these this build. So the way you do this, you're gonna match those two lines together, make sure the dots are up, and then down at the bottom you're gonna see that little triangle match up with that triangle. Now on the timing belt, you're gonna see, I'm not sure, I believe this timing belt has the gold links, but yeah, you're gonna match up the gold links on the timing belt with the two dots on the top, and then down here, yeah, you see that line where it's matched up? I'm not sure if you're picking that up, but there's gonna be a dot down at the bottom sprocket there where you're gonna match up the other gold links. So yeah, I already locked this cams with this little tool here. So now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be installing the timing belt and the guides and wrap this timing part up. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so yeah, this chain has the black links. Honda had two versions. I believe the first version of the timing chains were in gold, and then the second version, or depending where you buy it, I'm not sure, but yeah, they came in two. The ones I did on the K24 had the gold links, these have the black links, and I just had them and I just lost them, damn it. Okay, right here, one, right here. So like I said, these two gold links, we're gonna match them up at the top. Just like that. Now we can start putting these guides on. See it? No, que no dejó chichara and everything.
But there was no chichara.
Oh, there was none? Where's my power tools, man? Oh, there you go. Work a little faster. All right. Alright, so now we're just going to tighten this bolt up, slap the tensioner on, and we are at perfectly top dead center. Now we're going to grab the tensioner. Just like that, release the little pin to give it tension. You can see, right? And then just give it a little bit, 1, 2, let me see. Yep, I think that's as far as she's gonna go. Yeah, that's it. Once you can shove the little tack back in there, you know you're good. So just, yeah, give it 2 clicks and there you go. So now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be removing this, the timing locks off of this and start installing the Drag Cartel lower chain, what do you call this? Whatever, the Drag Cartel piece, and the top chain guide. Now that everything's good, we can just start removing these 2 top bolts and install the top guide. So give me a sec. Now you can torque this back down to 16 foot-pounds. That's all she wrote. Now guys, we're going to be installing the lower drag cartel piece. So the way we're gonna do this, we're gonna be removing this oil pump chain guide, and then we're leaving that on and just replacing this right over top. Yeah guys, if you guys are doing this with the oil pan on, be mindful that when you go to loosen these, because you got to take both bolts off, this guide's gonna fall. Just make sure, like I said, if you guys are doing it with the oil pan on, be mindful that you hold the guide there so it doesn't fall inside the oil pan. That's it right there. All right guys, don't forget to install this little sprocket piece. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, this is gonna say outside. Make sure that's facing literally outside. Just like that. Have that ready. You don't install this, you're gonna have a whole bunch of problems, so don't forget that. Go. Now we're gonna flip the motor around, start doing the oil pan. Make sure that your mating surfaces on both the block and the oil pan are clean and free from any types of oils. So yeah, just give it a little quick wipe down before you lay down the handlebar. So the way I like doing this, I'll probably do this off camera, but yeah, do a little beat around and then just slap it down. Guys, so there you go, the oil pan is on. All we got to do now is install the side cover. I'm not going to do that on camera. I figured, you know, I'm not sure when Jose is going to bring me the side cover, and I just want to cap this video out. So yeah guys, that's all I got to do now, and like I said, I'll do it off camera, but there you go. That is the whole gist of how you put the car in timing. I got it flipped around. I'm gonna let this dry, the handlebar dry before I flip it around. I'm gonna give it a couple hours for it to fully cure, the handlebar to fully cure before I flip the motor back around. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video or found this video informative, I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below guys. Don't forget to hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you guys be notified whenever I put out any content. And if you guys can, please man, go over and follow my man Jose at jam.dc5, and let's send this guy, let's blow up his messages, man, and try to get this guy to hurry up and finish his EG build. That's the one where this motor is going to be going on to. He got a little track build going on, and we got a little friendly wager between this EG K24 all motor versus his EG K24 or K20, I'm sorry, turbo, and I'm putting the money on me that we're gonna be beating him down the quarter mile. So yeah guys, if you guys can, send him a message and let's start blowing him up, tell him to finish his EG build guys. So yeah, with that being said guys, remember, stay blessed, peace.